I'm James Hamilton. I'm Director of Data Science. So there's two parts to my role. So I look after a team in our commercial area, so mostly focused on our pricing system. So we have an automated pricing system that me and my team, we look after, we set the algorithms, and I have a wider role supporting the use of data and the other data science teams across TUI. For me, the main benefits of the event are learning, meeting people. I didn't have any specific things I wanted to get from it, but I think it's always useful to speak to different people, learn some of the same challenges, and that's been clear this morning. Lots of things I recognise. So yeah, just good to speak to different people really and learn from them. Just one data challenge. I mean, we have many data challenges. So I think one of the things we're working on at the moment, we're working on a major digital transformation project. So we are rebuilding a lot of our internal systems, and the pricing system in which I work is one of those. So we're having to bring together a lot of data from lots of different systems and do that in the fastest possible way, but also, as we're discovering, in a cost-efficient way. And actually, the simplest and quickest solution isn't always the most cost-effective. And so, having got the basics of the system working, actually, as we look to optimise and do better things, we're also looking for ways to use the technology more effectively. I mean, it's a challenge, I think, at the moment. So we are, in some ways, we're quite a traditional organisation, and the way the company has developed there are many different parts that have developed independently. So we are trying to get a greater interest in data and the use of data across the organisation. I think, as with lots of organisations, there are pockets of very good practice where we're using data better, and there are other areas where we're not. So we're trying to sort of both do even more in the areas where we're already effective, but also look to spread both the skills and the interest in data to some of those other parts of the organisation. So far it's been interesting. I've had two conversations. I think my main interest is almost finding out what's out there, and testing the landscape. So that's been the case so far. I've been learning about new solution providers and some ideas to take away and think about.